Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Trucozie brand 8-in-1 cordless vacuum. We're going to open it up, we're going to show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get this out of the box, when you first open it up, you'll see kind of a simple assembly and instruction manual. There's also a physical instruction manual available for you. It just comes very nicely packaged. Everything's kind of laid out nicely. Now your color choice is up to you. There's a couple different choices out there. Batteries, a ton of adapters here. Charging, HEPA filters, and of course the actual vacuums themselves. So we'll kind of show you all the parts and pieces put together. It does come with the ability to kind of mount this thing if needed. But the way this will work, real simple, is you're just going to slide this right on, and then you'll have all kinds of different ways to set this up. Let me get this piece cut off and then we'll show you up close. Alright, so before we do that, let's walk you through all the different parts and pieces. This will be a simple, bottom tray that's going to allow you to go over hardwood floors, carpets, very adjustable, easy operation, as you can see. And then of course at the bottom it'll have a hook on that we'll get through. So this is an extension for the vacuum, which we'll show in a moment as we do some actual vacuuming, and this will just click right in. Adjusting, make sure you put the black part down here into that, so that'll click right in, and then of course click right out, and it'll be like this when you're actually using it, but underneath will be the kind of extension capability to extend, and then this will actually go right into the actual vacuum itself, which will also accommodate these accessories. All right, so as mentioned, these are just going to be additional pieces that will go on and click in like so. So if you're using the handheld part, they'll all kind of just pop right in, nice and easy. And again, this will allow you to kind of extend that if you need to. If you just want to use this, and or if you want to use the brush piece, all clicks, has notches, all that stuff. And then as mentioned, this will pop right in for the extension piece. And now the actual vacuum we'll walk through here. It does walk you through how to remove the filter. To empty the tray, we're just going to drop in here. I'm assuming this is going to be some sort of twist, but again, I have not read the actual instructions, so make sure that you do that. And the secondary part is you'll definitely want to be able to move the battery off this. There we go. So it helps when you're not doing this in front of a camera, because I'm focused on trying to see what you can see and messing it up completely. So that said, to remove the battery, we're just going to press this button and slide, and it should come right out. We're going to turn this on in a few moments here, but I do want to show you that. But what you'll do to charge this battery is just plug it in there, and then to turn the power on, you'll have your bottom, and that's just going to be your on and off. And as you can see, when I press this second button, that's just going to be my mode button, which is going to cycle me through a low, medium, and high. And I'm assuming this is just showing me battery status. I'm going to probably charge this up so you can see a, let me turn that off, see whether or not it's full. I'm assuming it's not fully charged, so we're going to get this charged up right now. And as mentioned, this will literally just, plug right into the back of the battery and then plug into a wall. You do have your backup filter as well. So let's demonstrate this thing once it's charged up. All right, so before I continue, I just want to talk about a couple key things. First of all, the lightness of this thing. It's very light, easy to move around. I love, and let me just show you the power. It came half charged on the battery, so it does give me a good indicator. It's also relatively quiet. I don't know if you can tell that or not here, but and I love the lighting. So to me, it's really important to be able to kind of see those things, and you can probably see the dust. That when you take it away, it's not as, you can see the one, but you can't really see the others. So to me, it becomes super important. There we go. You can really see exactly how much dust there is under things with that lighting. So that totally helps me out. So when I'm cleaning floors, especially as we kind of engage this to a higher level, it's super important for me to be able to just kind of zoom in, get all those little spaces, and get rid of all that stuff. So I also like the turn radius. Not sure if you can see how I'm doing that, but being able to move that way is really nice for when I'm trying to get into like some trouble spots. So this thing's pretty cool. We're going to show it on a carpet because that's the beauty of this. It works on hardwood floors and carpets. So again, I like to kind of vacuum in the dark a lot of times, and we can go right on a carpet and then just slide it right on here. And the reason I like to vacuum in the dark is because I can see this stuff with the lighting. And it literally just allows me to kind of jump from one thing to another here and continue to work. And finally, we can show that it, can get into small little areas like steps. And these are some trouble spots that I usually deal with in the corners where, carpet and stuff like that kind of drags onto it. Now here's the final piece that I want to cover. Everything you've just seen is what I did, meaning like all this dust in here, and I keep a pretty clean house, just came from that little bit of carpet cleaning. No further, no other vacuuming was done except for that. And as you can see, that's a decent amount of stuff. So this thing does the job really nicely. So to me, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. And again, I love the ability to kind of know where I am on the battery. So this is really, really awesome. Thanks for watching. Hope this review helped.